Hello, this is Leia, my dog, and we're going to practice the question pronouns. Let's start. First in Valencian, later in English. Què, qui, quan, on. Què, qui, quan, on. Perché? Perché. Perché? Perché. Com. Che. Chi. Quan. On. Perché? Perché. Com. And now in English. What. Who. What. Who. How. How. Why? Because. Why? Because. What? Who? Why? Because. When? Where? When? Where? Now let's practice. What's this? Excellent. What? What's this? Excellent. Who? What's this? Excellent. How? What's this? Excellent. Why? Because. What's this? When? What's this? Where? That's fantastic. Good job. Leia, I love you. I love you. I hope you learn the question pronouns with this video. You can repeat it as many times as you like. Goodbye. Goodbye.